If 2021 promised hope, resilience defined India in 2022. Despite signs of a global economic slowdown, continuing high inflation, and the ripple effects of the war in Europe, the outlook for India's growth has largely been positive. That said, business leaders in India remain cautious and concerned about the overall uncertainty in the global economic environment. These sentiments are reflected in the responses of 68 Indian CEOs who participated in our 26th annual Global CEO Survey, which was conducted in the last quarter of 2022. Let's look at some of the key trends that have emerged from the survey. On the business front, Indian CEOs have faced more headwinds than tailwinds, but have still managed to stay the course. They continue to be hopeful about the country's economic growth, with nearly 60% expressing optimism about India's economy over the next year. Yet, around 40% of the CEOs, both in India and in global, think that their organizations will not be economically viable in the next 10 years if they continue in their current course. This is a stark evidence that CEOs will continue to focus on reinventing their companies over the next few years and make investments in technology and people. This is the time to understand how to enhance customer value, reinvent supply chain management, and recalibrate skills in anticipation of tomorrow's demands. The other crucial need for tomorrow is a focus on climate change and the seriousness around sustainability. Indian companies are trying to innovate, decarbonize, and craft their climate strategies. To move at the right pace, CEOs will need to focus on a robust investment plan and roadmap, along with an appropriate governance mechanism, among other aspects. PwC's annual Global CEO Survey is an opportunity for us to partner with businesses to address their vulnerabilities and enable them to create new sources of value, enhance resilience to disruption, address sustainable development, and to adapt to climate change, all towards building trust among their stakeholders. We at PwC want to catalyze innovation and transformation to empower our clients for the long haul. While I have provided a glimpse into the minds of the CEOs across India and the world, do read the survey report to get an in-depth review of what's driving business today and what might disrupt it tomorrow.